You think you own your car, but you are just renting the hardware. Welcome to the VIN-Locking monopoly, the dirty, secret-destroying independent mechanics. Here is the brutal reality. In the past, if a headlight broke, you bought a $50 part and fixed it yourself. But today, automakers put secret microchips inside every single part, even your battery and windshield wipers. If you replace a broken part yourself, the car's computer will reject it, flashing a massive error code. The part is physically perfect, but it is locked by software. They force you to tow your car to the dealership, where they charge you $1,500 just to click a button and program the new part. It is digital extortion. They are monopolizing the repair industry to drain your wallet. So, how do you fight back? Here is the VoltMechanix survival rule. Stop buying hyper-locked modern cars. Look for pre-2020 models, or strictly buy from brands that support the right to repair. Stop paying the dealership ransom. Protect your wealth. Hit subscribe. This is VoltMechanix.